felt impossible that I would learn how to dance, you know, on this thing, but it did become possible. But and I love that message because I think it's true. I think it's very true. You've just got to have some faith. Everything is possible.
We are looking at Emily Blunt in the Mary Poppins film, and she is displaying some non-human characteristics. Here it is in slow motion. We're looking at her eyes. Okay, watching her eyes. There. Go over it again. Here's the next one in slow motion. And when she closes her eyes here, I think it's pretty clear to see that her eyelashes are down here. And we're seeing her eyes through her eyelids, because you can see those lids close and you can still see her eyes. We'll look at it again. And here, it's very clear to see the white object that is in her eye here. They are seen on these beings in my videos. And you can see how they change and disappear. And one more time on the eyelids for good measure. Okay. And this is an interesting eye shot. Her vertical pupil. This next part is from the movie Mary Poppins that they've showed after her interview. And I'm going to go ahead and play it in slow motion. It's really short. That's it. Okay, we're looking at this hand here. Just bringing it up. And notice that her thumb is clear. The rest of her hand has color. I don't see a reason for that. She's got some very interesting fingers, but the images aren't clear enough to make a video, but they are very interesting. A little bit closer. I don't want to get interference. And I missed the image, but I will go back as we just move forward. You can see this tiny eye right here. Really small eye right there. Okay. Let me go back to what I wanted to show you. Okay. I promise you this is not Photoshop. On her finger right here, it looks like a frog with eyes and a mouth. I'm going to go in on it. Hopefully you can see it. It has the mouth down here. It looks like a Reptilian mouth with the eyes. It's right here. So I want to make sure that you can see it. And then of course it disappears with the next frame. And there's one more thing. I've gone ahead to where the image is. It's on top of her head. And in on this. It is here. There is a little head with eyes, and I think that this is the body. Some type of reptilian type creature. And it even has, looks like a little hair sticking up out of the top of its head. I'm going to do a frame on it. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and play up to it so you can see it manifest. There it is. Almost looks like it could have two heads.
Everything is possible.
If you are the Son of God, command these stones to become loaves of bread. It is written, man does not live by bread alone. I thought you might enjoy that. Thank you for watching, and God bless you all.